pala tayo sa church. Ito nga si Kuya Cyrus. At ito naman si Brother Enrico and Brother David. They are practicing the violin. Ano kanta yun?
Ano, yung To God be the glory.
Hindi yung kinakanta natin, kering keng keng. Do you know the name of this?
Yes, I know the name of God.
It's a beautiful violin that I can play.
If you listen to His voice, Jesus loves you and me.
Practice mo sila. Ano? Yun lang po.